the key is really understanding your audience. I mean, this was like mainly women. We were sent scarves. We were sent things that go back to ABM for a second. Like, how well do you know your customers? Just flinging celebrities that don't connect with them. That's not going to work. That's actually going to leave a bad impression. So, know your audience really well, and then you can do fun stuff like that takes into account that it's 5 o'clock somewhere and everybody's kind of ready for the end of that. So I think there's a huge opportunity. You just have to be creative and ask them what they like.
I would argue that for people who are in the middle of your funnel or people who are already customers, that these type of events are more effective because there's an established relationship. So it's kind of like, we're tasting wine, we're tasting tequila, we're cooking together, but we all have something in common, and that is, we're partners, we work together, or that there's some sort of deeper connection here. Would you agree that that approach might work a little less well for people who are purely new prospects, not even in your funnel yet? Does it seem a little awkward?
Yeah, I would agree with that. I think, if you look at top of funnel, what would the event experience be like? Would those people even show up? Like maybe that is when you bring in like a great band or something just to introduce them to the vibe of your company. I think middle of the funnel, in my opinion, a lot of that is around a decision point, which is, you or someone else for buying a product. And so, that's where education is really important, probably a little bit of brand experience.